following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Vigo County, Sullivan County, Knox County, Clay County, western Greene County, western Davies County, until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles northwest of Hudsonville to 6 miles southwest of New Harmony, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations affected include Big Fence, Washington, Lincoln, Sullivan, Pignell, Jacksonville, Shelburne, Paredon, Prairie Creek, Farmersburg, Dunkir, Clay City, Hymer, Fairbanks, Carlisle, Old Town, Monroe City, Wheatland, Bristol, and Sanborn. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 12 and 28. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. It can spawn a tornado go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, don't carry a room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southwestern and west central Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Clay, Davies, Greene, Knox, Sullivan, and Vigo. The severe thunderstorm warning for Fountain, Northern Park,